tropical cyclone is likely to develop over the Coral Sea in the next 24 hours. In this video, we'll take you through what we know right now and how this situation may evolve over the coming days. So looking first of all at our water vapour imagery, we can see the cloud and thunderstorm activity across the Coral Sea. It's hard to make out too much rotation in this cloud at this point in time, but we know that the tropical low, 05U, is sitting over 800 kilometres off the Queensland coast. Because it's still so far offshore, we're not seeing any impacts at the moment, with southeasterly flow bringing just a few patchy showers to the central Queensland coast, but that is likely to change over the next day or two. And that is why we do have a tropical cyclone watch already current, which covers areas between Eyre and St Lawrence. And I'll go through that in just a moment. Tropical low, 05U, is expected to become a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours. At that time, it will be named as a tropical cyclone. It'll be moving southwest and is expected to continue southwest through into Wednesday morning. And it's really from Wednesday morning that we're likely to start seeing impacts for the Queensland coast, initially in this tropical cyclone watch area you see here. Sustained gale force winds, wind gusts up to 120 kilometres an hour, heavy rainfall and flash flooding are all possible from Wednesday morning or later in the day on Wednesday. This may bring down trees or power lines, causing property damage, closing roads and access routes, and potentially even leading to power failures. If you or someone you know lives along the central Queensland coast, particularly in this watch area between Eyre and St Lawrence, it's essential to keep an eye on the watch and warning products over the coming days and know that you might see these impacts within the next 24 to 48 hours. Through the day on Wednesday, we do expect this system to intensify further, reaching severe tropical cyclone Category 3 intensity later in the day. It'll be approaching the coast at that point in time, bringing the strong winds and heavy rainfall with it. It is likely our watch and warning areas will be more extensive about parts of the Queensland coast at that time, but we'll have a clearer picture of where those heaviest impacts will be as we get closer to this point in time. So when and where will the coastal crossing occur? Well, I'll remove the watch area and the winds just to simplify this map and we'll take a look. The system is likely to approach the Queensland coast, crossing at some point on Thursday between Cairns and Mackay. At this point in time, our most likely location for that is just to the south of Townsville, but it is worth remembering that tropical cyclones can speed up or slow down as they approach the coast and change their trajectory slightly. The strongest winds and heaviest rain are likely with this coastal crossing, so it's imperative to keep an eye on any changes to this coastal crossing expectation over the coming days. After it crosses the coast, it'll move inland and weaken, reaching tropical low intensity once again by Friday morning. Even as the rainfall eases along the coast, we're likely to see widespread flooding impacts following this system, moving inland as the tropical low does. In fact, the end of the week won't be the end of the potential rain and flooding. Some computer model guidance is indicating that this system will hook back around towards the southeast of Queensland through the weekend and into early next week, with the potential for further rainfall and flooding impacts for central and southeast Queensland going into early next week. With this situation developing in the next 24 hours, it's essential to keep up to date via the Bureau's website and the BOM weather app. Stay safe and we'll catch you in the next update.